Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Now that you have gone through the elements and principles lessons on Nearpod, you should have a good idea of how to use these elements and principles to make art. These are the building blocks, the ingredients to make up art, and how we use them to make our art better. So, you are going to create your own folder design using these criteria. First, it must include your first and last name. It must include the course name. Ceramics and Printmaking Studio. You must also employ one type of line, one type of shape, a specific color scheme, no more than 3 colors. You have to really focus your color scheme. And finally, it needs to highlight one principle of design, which you see some to choose from on the right. So you're going to complete 3 quick sketches of possible designs and then draw your favorite design on final paper. So let's look at some examples of sketching. So here are 3 quick designs that I sketched to get some ideas out. I have my name, I have the title, and I have a type of line, a type of shape, and in this one I emphasize contrast. I have these really big black triangles that's going to really draw attention and be highly contrast. In this one I've used curly lines, I've used circles, and I've used movement as my principle of design. On my third one, I used a rectangle as my shape, a straight line as my line, and I emphasized pattern in my design with the herringbone. So after you've done these 3 sketches, to get some ideas out, sometimes our first idea isn't our best one. You're going to choose the one that you like the most and complete a final design on the large final paper. Here's some examples from last semester. We have one here emphasizing using emphasis as its principle of design, pushing those lines in toward the center with the circle as the shape and the line, straight line as the type of line, with a color scheme of yellow and orange and red. And here are 2 other good examples for you to be thinking about. Notice that in each of the final ones they started in pencil. They used Sharpie to outline and highlight. Some people using block letters, others not. And then finally using colored pencils or marker to add that color scheme in. If you have any questions, feel free to email me through our Google Classroom page. But I will be back on Friday and we'll be excited to see your progress. Best of luck.